So in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 5 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, enter settings, go to display and brightness, and in here you can select between light and dark mode. Or set auto switch. Then you can change brightness level or enable or disable auto brightness, eye comfort and auto rotate screen. Then you can change auto screen off between 15 seconds and 30 minutes. You can change color temperature, enable or disable OSIE visual effect, change font and display size, adjust screen display for apps, and enable or disable low brightness flicker-free eye comfort. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.